Let's talk about the triangle inequality theorem. This has to do with the lengths of sides that can make up a triangle. And essentially what it says is that any two sides have to add up to more than another side. So basically if I just said, well, if I pick any two sides of a triangle and add them together, that has to be greater than the third side. And it doesn't matter which sides you pick. So for example, if you had a triangle like this, like 5, 7, and 10, you could say, well, 5 and 7 is greater than 10, and 5 and 10 is greater than 7, and 7 and 10 is greater than 5. So this works. That is a triangle. Where instead, if you had something like this, like 5, 8, and 20, you'd say, well, 5 and 8, that isn't, I'm going to put a big X to that, greater than 20. And here's why this works. Something like this, if you said, well, I have a side length of 20, and then I'll try and draw this as close to scale as I can, but if this were 5, and then this were 8, you see there just isn't enough length to even close that triangle. And that's why they can't even be equal to, because if the two sides, let's say we had like two sides of 8 and 12 and 20, well, the 8 would maybe, get you to here, and the 12 would get you the rest of the way. That would add up to 20, but that's not a triangle. That's just a line. So the two sides, any two sides, have to always be greater than the third side. And again, to verify something is a triangle, you should really try all three sums and verify that they are greater than. And then it's a actual triangle that can exist. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. I have an entire playlist on geometry.